What's up, everyone? Luckside here. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Appreciate you guys as always. So everyone's eyes have been on this Ripple versus SEC case that's been playing out for quite some time. And it seems like we are about to have a December that you will all remember. And I want to talk to you guys about why. Now, what has been happening is they are currently going through a summary judgment. Now, if you're not familiar with this, if you're not familiar with legal terms, I definitely recommend you look it up. But basically, it is a case without a jury. So the judge is able to, receive information from both parties. Both sides can plead their cases through all these documents, and the judge will make a ruling. Okay, that's basically the summary of it. Summary judgment, summary, right? Now, both parties were supposed to file their reply briefs by November 30th, but we actually got word that this was done early. So both parties are trying to apparently beat each other to the ball, right? So the page limit on these was increased to 55 pages and needs to contain responses to the numerous amicus briefs that have been filed in support of either party. Now, both parties are scheduled to get together here in early December, December 2nd specifically. Now, they are supposed to confer with each other and identify reactions to these reply briefs. And then December 5th, this is a key date because we will get the public access to the redactions of the reply briefs, which is going to be great because then we may actually have some idea and direction as to which this case is going. And there's going to be some information in there that we likely have not seen yet. So it's going to be obviously interesting to see how this all plays out. Now, I believe we are supposed to get a public non-redacted version by the end of December as well. So we will have access to really all the information, including that which both parties have agreed to remove from these filings. Now, there may be more information that is not publicly released, like, for example, the Hinman documents. It sounds like that may not be released unless there is a court order to do so. And I think the whole community would be very interested, obviously, to see what this is all contained in there. Now, as for when this case will be concluded, there's quite a bit of speculation as to when the case could actually be concluded. So some people are thinking that it may be by the end of March, so March 31st of 2023. Now, others, for example, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, thinks that it will be concluded at least in the first half of 2023. So we basically have a 7-month period now, excuse me, in which we should have the answer to this case. And keep in mind, this ruling will have a lasting impact on crypto, right? This is basically the marquee case. Everyone is watching this because if it is found that XRP is a security, it's going to have a lasting impact. If XRP is found to not be a security, it's going to have a lasting impact. And it may also change the way and the powers that the SEC has to deem a cryptocurrency a security. Definitely something to watch and pay attention to if you aren't already. There's going to be more and more information coming out as these dates approach and get closer and closer. I'm excited to see how this is happening because a lot of what we have read so far has been pointing towards Ripple as, coming out on the positive side about this, but we'll obviously just have to wait and see. But that's all I really have for you guys in this one. Just wanted to make you aware of those dates. Definitely something to watch as we move forward into the end of the year here. So as always, appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the video. If you haven't already, again, do show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. You can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and I really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.